Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete contact from list on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a contact list on Wix can help you manage your contacts effectively, especially if you no longer need certain lists. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you have to do is hover to the upper left corner of your Wix editor and click the Go to Dashboard. Now, here, once it's loaded, you might want to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the Customers and Leads or the Inbox. You should be able to see something like the contact leads. All right, there you go, the contacts. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now this is going to be your contact list. It's a very easy thing to do because all I have to do is really simple. Click the boxes here. All I have to do is click on delete. That's it. That's basically how you can delete contact list on Wix. But the idea is if you can't delete or if you don't have the option to delete the contact list on your Wix, there are multiple reasons for that. Number one is you might be experiencing a laggy website, or there's a bug or some glitch that needs intervention from the Wix customer support service. And by doing so, you need to contact the Wix 24/7 support center by clicking on this option right here. All right. If you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems deleting contact list on your Wix account, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting step on how to fix him. All right. Because deleting a contact list does not delete the individual contacts within your Wix account. It only removes the list itself, because contacts can still be accessed from other lists or directly on your database. Now, if you are unsure, okay, of deleting a certain contact, consider exporting it or archiving it for future reference. And of course, by following all these steps, you should be able to delete any unwanted contact list from your Wix site, all right? And again, you may receive a confirmation like this one asking if you are sure if you want to delete the list. Once you're decided, all you have to do is confirm to complete the process. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.